Alright, so another unboxing. We got three pairs here that came from Nike by you. It is the customization of the Nike SB Dunk. You excited? Let's do this. Alright, let's check them out. Alright. Okay, so on this particular one, 9 and 9.5. Let's take that out. So since this pair is already same on this one, I don't have to open both. Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice suede. I like that suede. What do you think on that one? So I think the inspiration on this one is the cool gray. So it's kind of more simple with the red shoes, mostly gray all around with a red bottom and white midsole. Just the basic Nike by you, not too much eye popping. So next one, this one is size 9, and the colorway on this one is more something special. Okay, boom. Okay, there is some kind of two thing going on this particular colorway. Some of the listing right now on eBay, they said the inspiration is Hyperion, and then the other one is Fragments inspiration. So I think it's mostly Fragments inspiration. So I wish they could change the toe box right here. Maybe white, much more better white somewhere right here, and that should be more clean, man. If they could did better when they did the inspiration. But hey, they could done something black and white, which is has more high resale value right now. But the colorway is not bad as well though. I hope they could put white one on this one. So it's just happened when I did the customization. Don't have to do that much. Just click the inspiration, click the size, and then check out. So that's what happened when I did. That's why I got a lot of this particular restock, and a lot of colorways, lot of different colorways, especially the 7-Eleven. Some of them are the Brazil, the yellow and green, and there's a lot. So you could watch the other videos. So what do you think on these inspirations from the Nike by you or the Nike SB Dunks? We got the cool grays in the Fragments. So which are the best Nike by you that I got? So what do you think? Right, so if you like this video, can you please subscribe, heaven? I'll see you next time. Peace. Bye bye.